Getuk Lindri. Coconut cassava cake. A dessert from Brunei. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Place sugar, water, salt and vanilla in a small saucepan over medium heat and bring to a boil until sugar is dissolved. Set aside to cool. Step 2. Steam cassava until soft, then mash. Step 3. Divide cassava and syrup mixture into 3 equal portions. Step 4. Add 2 to 3 drops red food color to 1 portion of syrup and mix the red syrup with 1 portion of cassava. 2 to 3 drops green food coloring to a second portion of the syrup and mix it with a second portion of cassava. Step 5. Spread each portion of cassava into a ring mold or serving dish, starting with the green portion on the bottom, the uncolored portion in the middle, and the red portion on top. Make the layers as neat as possible so the colors do not mix. Step 6. Chill for 1 hour. Step 7. Unmold onto a service plate and sprinkle with grated coconut. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.